Hi! What is this called?
Glue!
So fun! This is glue. We stick things together. Do you know this?
Notebook.
Good job! This is a notebook we write here. Look! Can you name this?
Pencil.
Correct. This is a pencil we write and draw. What is this?
Eraser.
Good job! This is an eraser. We remove marks. Lily, what is this called?
Ruler.
Good job! This is a ruler. We measure lines. Look! What is this? Whiteboard. That's right. This is a whiteboard. We write on it. Can you name this?
Chalk.
Right, this is chalk. We write on the board.
Desk.
Good job! This is a desk. We study here. What is this called?
Lunchbox.
So cute! This is a lunchbox. We carry food. Lily, do you know what this is?
This is a book.
Awesome! We read stories and learn. What are you wearing?
School bag.
Good job! This is a school bag. We carry books. Wow! What is this?
School bus.
Amazing! This is a school bus. We go to school. Wow! What is this?
Crayons.
Awesome! These are crayons. We use them to color. Can you guess this?
Marker.
Good job! This is a marker. We draw colorful pictures. Lily, we learned so many school things today.
Yes, that was so fun.
Bye! See you next video.